Hey guys, so if you're looking on how you can change the noise reduction for your Canon M50, so I found a way for you. So first you're gonna go to settings, and you're gonna be on free, and you're gonna have long exposure noise reduction, and we're gonna have off, right? And if you want to, you can have it on auto or on, and that means is that for images exposed for 1 second or longer, noise reduction is performed automatically. And if a noise typical or long exposures is detected, this setting is effective enough in most cases. Now, when you're going to look even further, when you're going to have on, noise reduction is performed for all images exposed for 1 second or longer. The enable settings may reduce noise that cannot be detected with their settings. And then, when you can reduce the image noise generated, this function is especially effective when shooting at high ISO speeds. So if you want to, you can set the level, right? That you can like reduce image noise, especially effective at high ISO speeds, and you can change that if you want to. So just want to make this quick video for you. Hope it helped you. Have a great day and goodbye.